Hi, this is Dirk from B&B Auto Sales, showing you our 71 Ford F100 four-wheel drive. You can see the gauges there all working. There's the blinker. Obviously the horn doesn't work because there's no horn pad. There's your wipers. E-brake right now needs some work. There's your blower motor. AM radio works. Oh, look at the lights. Runs good. I think the e-brake, like you said, needs work. You see it's 360. Come off of a buffalo ranch out in western South Dakota. That's where you're going to get some of the dents and dings. Good tread on the tires. Here you can see the tail lights. So I believe everything except for the horn. See the dome light. Yep, dome light works. So everything except for the horn. Shift's good. Drives down the road. See that video? They did fix some floor on both sides. It's a little bad. It's still got a spot there. But good running truck. Pretty solid West River truck. 605-695-7391.